WTI.
Having high quality dock lines for your boat is essential. The Predator NZ high performance dock lines are made out of nylon with 24 strands. These lines uphold the best standard in the industry. I really like the feel of them. You know that feeling on your hands though when you have a frayed, rough dock line you're trying to use? Well, these ones are smooth and easy to grip. They are water, weather resistant, and UV coated. They're by far the nicest dock lines I've ever owned. They also have a 12-inch eyelet, which is very useful. And the edges, as you can see here, have a wrapping on them so that you can be sure they're not going to fray on you. I am really impressed with these dock lines. If you're looking for ones for your boat, I would highly recommend these. I love the bag that it comes in. I can go ahead and hook it on the boat and put the dock lines back so they stay nice. This is 10 out of 10 product.
And that's my point of view.